Today I'm going to be working on my compressor, and I have an issue of where I need it to fit and hooking up the hose. Alright, this is my air compressor. Now currently the way this setup is, I have to have it up here because of these connections right here point up. Where I need this compressor to be, however, is down below right here. Problem is, once I set it down there, there isn't enough space above these to hook a hose into to get the air that I need. Now, this one here I'm going to remove, and when I do remove it, I'm actually going to put this elbow piece in its place, hook it up, and that will allow me to hook up the line from and back here at an angle and have this down here. Alright, this one I'm just going to take off. Now this does consist of two parts. What I'm going to do first is to make sure that this is secure to this one here. Alright, so to give myself some leverage, I used two adjustable wrenches so that I could hold one on here, put one on here, down on the bench, just to keep this from moving, and then tightened this up here. So the next step is going to be putting it in here. Unfortunately, there's just enough space for it to turn around if I hold it away from the other one. If there was an issue, I could always take this off and put it back on, but I don't think there will be in this case. Alright, so I'm going to take this one off, and I have just enough room where I can easily turn it and put it back, and then put this one back on after. Alright, so the next step will be to put this here facing up. I am going to put some Teflon tape. I think it might be a little bit of a challenge because of this setup here, but I really need this to face upward and out of the way. This is what will go down in here facing this way instead of up the other way. But let's check this right here. Alright, no leaks there. So at least this setup is still holding up, which is what I want it to do. Alright, so all I gotta do now is move it down to location and plug that in. Alright, now this may be an awkward spot, but once this is plugged in, there won't be any issues of having to plug or unplug it. Alright, I've got plenty of hose to reach from the location where I have mounted the air hose. I was a little bit concerned that I might have to. The hose, fortunately, is behind all that equipment there, but I was a little concerned I was going to have to move this unit up over here. Alright, now if you're asking yourself, why did I move it from here down to below? And the biggest reason is I would like to use this as a sanding station, which obviously is going to create a lot of sawdust. I don't want that getting into the motor or other mechanical workings of the air compressor. because the motor of the air compressor was sitting right here, and that dust was going to be directed right into the back of the motor. Now I plan on having an air system with vacuum cleaner, deflection and things like that to minimize that. However, there was still the issue of the air compressor being negatively affected by all the sawdust. Alright, so that's moved. Everything is all set. My air compressor is where I need it to be down here. It'll be easy to plug in when I need it. It's just mostly to really, clean things out, fill up tires, because this is not an air compressor that is capable of running air tools. Alright, so I know this is, I hope you found this video, if nothing else, entertaining. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.